How to take advantage of YouTube marketing to grow your business. Are you thinking of using YouTube to grow your online platform and further your brand? Using YouTube marketing often serves as a fantastic way to engage your audience. It allows you to promote your business via video content, giving you a chance to reach customers who may never have heard of you otherwise. Videos constitute the most effective way to get new clients. Social media marketing studies have shown videos comprise the most effective form of capturing people's attention. So how do you take advantage of YouTube marketing? We'll go into the details below. Keep reading to learn more. Create a YouTube account for your business. Before you get started with YouTube marketing, you need to establish your business's YouTube presence. First, navigate to youtube.com and click on the circular logo in the top right-hand corner. Then, click on Settings, which should have a gear-like symbol next to it. This takes you to a page that allows you to customize how you appear on YouTube. Select Create a new YouTube channel. Next, you will see a page that prompts you to create a brand account. In the space provided, type your brand's name, then hit Create. After you create your channel, you need to fill out some information about it. Fill out your entire profile using on-brand language. Tell any potential viewers about your brand and what they can expect on your channel. Make sure you do your best to make a good impression, as this will serve as many people's first introduction to you, your channel, and your company. Know your market. Do you want to know the best advice for finding your ideal audience on YouTube? Know who you want to target. Come up with an idea of your average customer. Do you sell mostly to young moms in their early 30s? If so, you need to make sure your content relates and appeals to them. Plan your video content around videos that help them solve the problems that concern them, answers their questions, or provide something relatable to them. You should also release your content on a regular schedule. When your viewers see consistent content from you, they grow to expect it and might even return to your channel on the days you make a release. Become familiar with YouTube's demographics. Most people on YouTube tend to skew younger. 77% of internet users in the US, between the ages of 15 and 25, accessed YouTube in 2020. This means you should use YouTube as a marketing platform if you market to younger people. Keep in mind, though, that younger people tend to like shorter content. So, if your primary audience consists of people in Gen Z, you might want to make sure your content doesn't go beyond a few minutes long. Still, that doesn't mean that older people don't access YouTube. In fact, 67% of American residents aged 56 and older accessed YouTube in 2020. Create a trailer. YouTube gives you the chance to introduce your channel via a trailer. This trailer lives on the home page of your channel, which someone gets sent to whenever they click onto your profile. The trailer often will serve as the first information someone gets about your profile. As such, you need to make it as quick and engaging as you can. To create a trailer, first, create a script. What do you want to accomplish with this video? Write out everything before you start working on the video. Meet with your team to discuss your YouTube marketing strategy and plans for the trailer. Then, go ahead and purchase cameras or whatever other supplies you need. Start creating consistent content. At this point, your business channel has everything it needs to start creating consistent video content. Set up a schedule for releasing your videos. Make sure you make time for video creation and editing. Depending on your team and the amount of time you have to work on your videos, you should commit to at least once a week or month. Many people experience nerves in front of the camera when they first start out. If this sounds like you, practice what you will say with the camera running. Remember, you can, and should, edit out anything that makes you appear off-brand or unflattering. So, you don't have to worry about getting it right now. You can make it right later. Focus on your lighting. A huge part of a professional-looking video comes down to lighting. You don't have to light like a studio expert to make effective videos, though. Instead, focus on 3 lights: your key light, your fill light, and your backlight. Your key light consists of the main light that shines on a subject. A fill light takes its name from its function. It lights the rest of the person's face, body. Finally, the backlight lights the background. This makes you look more dynamic. Monetize your videos. Do you want to make money from your videos? Fortunately, you can do that by monetizing your content. When you do this, YouTube will place ads on your videos, and you will profit off of them. To turn on ads for any of your videos, go to YouTube Studio and select Content. Then, select a video, and click on Monetization. You can then choose the types of ads you would like to run. Hit Save, and your video will get monetized. Promote your videos. To make sure members of your target audience see your videos, make sure you promote at least some of them. You can promote your videos within YouTube Studio by clicking on Content, and then hover over your selected video. Click on the 3 vertical dots, and then choose Promote. This will take you to YouTube's Google Ad Creation page. It lets you edit your ad's appearance, choose its target location, define the ad's audience, and set your budget. Ready to get started with YouTube marketing? YouTube marketing has a lot of advantages. It allows you to engage your clients, make useful and relevant content, and pay top platforms to promote your video. If you want help with your online marketing as you use YouTube marketing services, let us know. Our professional team helps you get more views. Contact us today to learn more.